Let's talk about a product that many of us can relate to, covering those pesky dark circles. Dark circles can really take a toll on your confidence, especially when you're juggling busy schedules. But what if you had a product that promises to conceal them seamlessly while providing a flawless finish? Enter the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Dark Circles Concealer. This concealer is designed to give you that perfect coverage with a semi-matte finish that doesn't look too dry or cakey. It's specifically formulated for all skin types, which is a big plus because we all know how hard it is to find a concealer that truly adapts to different skin needs. The color I'm reviewing today is 05 Medium Beige, which is a nice neutral shade that works well for medium skin tones. But don't worry, it comes in a range of shades, so there's something for everyone. When I first applied this concealer, I was impressed by its creamy consistency. It feels smooth and blends easily into the skin without any tugging, which is crucial, especially for the delicate under-eye area. The formula is thick enough to provide full coverage, but it doesn't settle into fine lines, which is a huge win in my book. I wore it for a full day to see how it would hold up, and I was pleasantly surprised by its longevity. It stayed in place without creasing, which is often a concern with creamy concealers. Now let's talk about real-world use. When I'm testing a concealer, I like to see how it performs under different conditions. I use this during both my morning skincare routine and after a long day of work, and it held up wonderfully. It didn't fade or oxidize, which can sometimes happen with other concealers, leaving you with a mismatched under-eye area. Even after a few hours of wear, the concealer stayed true to its color and finish, giving me a smooth, brightened look. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to cover dark circles without feeling heavy or cakey. The formula provides a full coverage, but it still feels lightweight, almost like second skin. However, if you have very dry under-eye areas, I would recommend applying a good hydrating eye cream underneath. While it doesn't emphasize dryness, it's always good to prep the skin for long-lasting wear. There are definitely some pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, it's full coverage, has a beautiful semi-matte finish, and stays in place all day. The applicator is precise, and you can easily control how much product you apply, which is always a plus. On the downside, it may not be the best option for very dry skin without proper prepping. The texture can also feel a bit heavy if you go in with too much product, so a little definitely goes a long way. As for value for money, KIKO Milano has always been known for offering quality products at a relatively affordable price point. For what you're getting in terms of coverage, finish, and longevity, I'd say this product is well worth the price. It's a solid mid-range concealer that performs as well as some higher-end ones. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are other drugstore concealers that come close in terms of performance, like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer or the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. But if you're looking for a high-quality product that delivers full coverage and lasts, this KIKO Milano option should be on your radar. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple. It's sturdy and easy to carry around in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. There's nothing overly fancy about it, but it gets the job done. It's also travel-friendly, which is always a bonus. Now, I didn't need to reach out to customer service for this review, but I've heard good things about KIKO Milano's responsiveness. Their reputation for handling customer inquiries and providing quality service is solid, which is always a reassuring factor when buying products from a brand. Looking ahead, KIKO Milano's full coverage Dark Circles Concealer hasn't undergone any major updates recently, but I'd be curious to see if they expand the shade range even further. The formula is solid, and a few additional shades could make it even more accessible. So, who would benefit most from this product? If you're someone who needs full coverage without the heavy feeling, this concealer is definitely worth trying. It works for all skin types, but I'd recommend it for those with normal to combination skin, as it provides a semi-matte finish that's not too drying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this concealer, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your thoughts matter. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.